Hello everyone. So today I'm here again with another renovation project done by the First Contractor. First Contractor recently delivered this exceptional bathroom and toilet renovation that highlights their expertise in modern and efficient design. Their team handled everything from tiling and lighting to mirrors and fixtures with absolute precision and efficiency. A standout feature of this project was the installation of high-quality PVC marble panels carefully selected to complement the existing tiles. The result is a seamless blend of old and new, maintaining visual harmony. The workmanship is top-notch and they deliver what they promised. What was once an outdated and dull bathroom or toilet is now a beautifully designed functional retreat that was absolutely loved by the customers. Follow First Contractor and DM for more info. More details in the caption. Bye, see you soon.